So here we are. Hurricanes hitting the coast, and we decided to come over here to the border of Tennessee and North Carolina, Murphy, North Carolina. We rented a place, and it's really nice out here. We're actually in the mountains. Got a really nice view across the way. There's a lake over there, although I'll be damned if you can get there on foot. I walked, and there was no trail to it. You can see it from the road, but it's about 100-foot drop to get down to the lake. So I won't be going to the lake that way. Not much traffic, pitch black out here at night. Dogs are having a great time. And so are we.